Welcome to my universe, to the massive truth. Wherever you're watching me from around the world, I pray may the good Lord bless and strengthen you. May open that beautiful and gorgeous side of yours to make you see and understand from my own point of view. If you're just seeing my video for the first time, you're very much welcome to my universe. Thanks for stopping by. Please do me a favor before you leave. Subscribe to watch more of my video. Hit the bell button to get notification whenever I have positive opinion and hot topic to share with my brothers and sisters. To my gallant subscribers that keep coming back to check me out to see what I got to offer, thank you very much. I really appreciate it from the bottom of my heart. I appreciate your positive energy. I appreciate your correction. I appreciate your maturity. Thank you very much. Thank you. With that being said, I want to talk about Apostle Johnson Suleman. I want to talk about Apostle Johnson Suleman with respect to the family, with respect to the member, with respect to him himself. I want to talk about the post where he posts for his social media and things where he don't talk about, where I just feel like make I just let some things go. Not be every time a person say make mistake, you just they pick them out of waiting he talk. I just say let me ignore. But waiting in con they do now, waiting in con they like put out, waiting con they put out, con they make people they want talk about them, especially somebody like me. Sometimes I know they like to just they criticize, but when you can they do things where resemble things where people want ignore, it go make people they remember things where you don't fair do. One thing where all of us supposed to understand, we say everybody get right to his or her opinion. Everybody, even you we was talk now, say how dare you talk to my pastor, how dare you talk to my man of God, how dare you talk to servant of God. That is your opinion. So if you they lay your own opinion out, don't be not the how they speak not the hypocrites to tell people to shut up because you just do the same thing where that person they do. Because the person not talk with you 1 year, not give you the right, with all due respect, to tell the person shut up, because nobody tell you shut up when you bring your own out. I hope you understand. To my new friends, I like to bring things when I see for social media to see how I fit to beg my brothers and sisters to see from my own point of view, to see from my universe, to see the way I take the reason for my universe. I know they talk say I don't want to pass anybody. I know they talk say I don't want to pass anybody, because nobody know I'm finished. Everybody they learn, including Pope Francis is learning. Where if I come the day bad now when somebody they prove say na can holy pass for this life, when somebody they teach people, they make people understand say everything just they perfect with them. Nobody they perfect. Nobody, as far as say you be human being, as far as say you they bleed red, nobody is perfect. We're just all of us just a walk towards perfection and the grace of that good spirit. None of us still they exist. None of us still they breathe today. So I just look for a way to be the change I want. I just look for a way to beg my brothers and sisters to like calm down a bit, swallow many water to take see from my own universe. If you not still understand my brother, you not reach one quarter put. If you not understand my sister, you not reach to grow that beast put. Waiting you want gain after you don't verse finish. You not there. So why we not just promote love and make me see why you think say waiting I they talk not make sense. All these many talk when I they talk, so all see they go to the post where Apostle Johnson Suleman post for a platform. He talk another one when he say tithe and offering money where they give am for church, say not be that one that they buy private jets. How they are 200 naira go to reach they buy private jets. I they come and go explain.
But sir, I can tell you that tithe and offering cannot buy plane. Any man you see buying plane, buying jets, building houses, he has a business he's doing, not be church. How much is offering? See those who are paying 200 naira to they are buying data and contributing. It is true. They are chopping our tithe. Your 200 naira. You know how much is a plane? These men are doing business.
All right, my brothers and sisters, hope you see the open and hear that video, open and see that my brother, the way content they look that he looking cat no they use until they look rats. That's to tell you say many people don't wake up, many people they see. That they feel say many people don't they see, many people don't they see where they see clear, that they know crystal light. If they pay me saying on top of altar, now some men of God for the blow all this crystal light. On top of altar when they know say this sacred. I don't know if you know if you respect altar, just talk truth for once. I don't know who you they respect. I don't know whether you really they respect that God For real, my Christians, brothers and sisters, it's high time all of us start to worship God as they tell the worship Him. It's high time all of us really be Jesus-like. It's high time all of us really speak the truths, because now only the truths they say will set all of us free. When we just they serve human being, when we they serve papa or mama, believe me, you on that day, in go carry a cross, you go carry a cross. I don't know that you watch the latest video where your wife even they pray for her husband to enter heaven. Unto many things where she they see. I don't want to go into the wife phone. I don't want to talk about the wife phone. What I want to talk about now, the 200 naira when you talk say not be anything to take by private jet. I want to break down them. I want to analyze them to my brothers and sisters so that make we understand say our one kobo it matter. Say na crystal lie in can they talk on top of holy altar. I don't know how holy you won't be, but altar supposed to holy. Altar na place where they not they for lie, because children they look up to them. Children what they born today to God and man waiting old person don't know they know. Because everything they all facts they for go all facts they for internet. Just write and facts you will see them for there. Everything they waiting you know if you find your picking will find and give you. So now that kind of life now will just this. So if they not take time, now our children will come disgrace them with fat on top of that altar where they did. Now that time now all of us this. So just speak out so that you will be in the side of good history, so that you feel defend what you do with your truth on the last day. Make him talk about 200 naira. He say 200 naira, they are 200 naira, not the rich and they do anything, not rich to take buy jet, say they not get money. That one a big insult and big crystal lie on top of altar. More do this calculation together. I bet bring your calculator come out so that we fit just understand basic facts. So let's make it real today. This one a massive truths where pretense not there, where you feel just talk your heart. Now be this my platform. In talk about 200 naira, say 200 naira now will reach and say buy private jets. Make we cut into two, more just say 100 naira. Now people they pay for offering. Now we are talking about only offering. We're not they talk about tithe. We're not they talk about special service, because they do service reach 3-4 times for church. That one not there for every month special service, because every month all these gallant churches they get special program where they want to get big money. More give them more say na 100 naira people they pay for offering every Sunday. More calculate 100 naira. More say na only a church for Auchi 200 people day. More assume say that a quarter now only 200 people. They me and you know say it pass 500 people where they that church. They do 2 service for there. So more assume say 200 people now day. 200 naira times 200 people times 200, it will give you 20,000, my brothers and sisters. Carry your calculator, I beg. This one not be lie, this one are facts. And he put up for he Twitter say prayer no fit help you. He said na knowledge now go fit help you. So this one are the little knowledge where me they bring come out. This one are facts, this one are truths, this one are waiting you will see with your own eye crystal clear. Say na not be me talking. Now waiting me and you want calculate together now. More assume say 200 people, therefore a quarter, only a quarter. Only on Sunday they pay 100 naira. No more times 100 naira into 200 places. It will give you 20,000. That 20,000, it gets 26 branches all over the world. Canada, America, different place, Russia. It gets branches. So now make we assume say for that country, that 26 country where it branches, the most na only one 9 day for each country. Only Nigeria, me and you know say it pass 4 where they for only Edo states. It pass 4. But no, just try, just take one. More they economic. More may we try to be human. More not they bias. More take one. So that 26 country, one. America anywhere they more could give all of the say na 100 naira. Neither they pay. Then 20,000 we go times some by 26, which is 26 country where branch they, and one will they take inside. Only one Sunday, it go give us 520,000 naira. Only one Sunday, now you want to get this money. Then most they go further. Now four Sunday that they see for 1 month. Now more times this 520,000 into 4. I beg my brother, my sister, carry your calculator. This one don't they pay put. Now just our common sense we want to use for you with all due respect to each and every one of you out there. It will give you 2 million. 2 million I go give you for one month or only 1 month. I go give you 2 million. Now only 100 naira now we see the times so only 100 naira. If you times and not to 200 when they mock people, it will be times 2. It will come be 4 million for 1 month. Most still go further, my brothers and sisters. We dey see 52 Sunday for a year. Now more times this 2 million into 52 places, which is every Sunday. I know they talk about other special day or evening service where they do, everyday service where they do. I know they talk that one. Every Sunday it is compulsory. Now that one they talk. So I'm not forgetting 100 naira. Now we still put so in talk about 200. Say they are 200 naira, not get anything to do for them. So me I dey cut am into 2 now. On to say I be reasonable person. Okay, if we times that 2 million into 52 places. I will take gather 52 places. Count your calendar. How many Sunday day for your calendar? It will give you 52. And this 52 with the times by that 2 million, it will give you, hey, Jesus Christ of Nazareth. Not be saying that Jesus Christ of Nazareth, not be one give you. It will give you 25 million. 25 million naira a year. I just say 100 naira. 25 million a year in 12 months, my brothers and sisters. Yet, e no get orphanage for the poor. This money every year, they go in own pockets. And instant on top of altar, they tell poor people, say their 200 naira no matter. Say they don't get money when you want to buy private jets. Mona see Apostle John Suleiman when he start church. Mona see asin be now. Make una try look for person wey start this church with Apostle John Suleiman. Mona look his life. Mona look Apostle John Suleiman life. Which one don't change? Yet you stand on top of altar and tell people, say money not there for church. You stand for there to they tell people, say, oh, their 200 is nothing. I beg my brother, I beg my sister. Mona try wake up for this coma because our money matter. It starts Omega Church. The first church we opened was in 1994. From 1994, it begin they blow. Those people will start with look only a friend. Only a friend, just use the friend to look am. That one life not change. Now only God just may get the grace, or now only they sing for this word. How person go stay for top of altar, they lie, and you they defend that person where they lie on top of house of Baba where you believe on. You not the verse for that one. You the verse for somebody where they tell you the truth. Somebody where just want help you remove your scales from your eyes. Now that one you hate because you love this person more than God. Because you love this person more than you love yourself, because you think say this person carry grace where you not carry. No, you even carry grace past that your pastor, you carry grace past that your mama, you carry grace past anybody where they put hand for your head, because you know what you they do, you don't know what those people they do. How somebody go just stand for top of altar with all this money where they carry a year, still they lie, say your money and nothing, still spit for your face, and tomorrow you go there and say, oh, Papa, yes, right on, sir, yes, the Lord is really speaking to you. When just they insult all of una, people will reach to born, people way reach to, but God, why are we there like this now, Africans? If we continue like this, none of us will grow. All this money when they collect now, 25 million naira, then they collect every year. Do the calculation by yourself, not be made talking now. And not forget, say now ordinary 100 naira. Ordinary 100 naira now calculate. Even America currency, I put 100 naira. Canada, I put 100 naira. Europe country, Italy, Germany, anywhere where the branch come the 100 naira now I put, and I still give me 25 million naira a year, and in spit for people face with 200 naira. If we say make we times or analyze this issue, this matter now with the 200 naira when they spit for people face, it will be times 2 of this money. I'm gonna still wake up now. I'm gonna still the reason. I'm gonna help me calculate. This will not be the one where the you say believe. See I dey for your hand, your calculator. Calculate them by yourself. Maybe you just do simple logic here. More looking for another person currency. Maybe this million is too big for our ear, just as they make my ear they blow. So for British money, which is pounds, 54,000 with all those small one where they join. If we put all of them together, maybe it will be 54,000 pounds a year, no paying tax. Euro 60,000 a year. You where they go that church, how much you they feel save for a year? You where they go that church, tell me brother, tell me sister, wey go be say go reach December now dey run 50-50 for express road because una wan fit buy spectacle for una children. Una just want make una family just dey happy, but somebody just sit down for your own because he just tell you say him carry grace wey you carry. With all due respect to all of una, him carry grace wey you no carry. Him go just sit down, just dey gather your own money, no, without no stress. The only stress wey you get now to come feed una with lie. Only that one. Then US money 69,000. This one a year. Only Sunday now they give una so. Only Sunday. The other special ones not there. Go social media, just write Apostle Johnson Suleman. You go see how many programs they do a year. He go do for America, he go do for Canada, he go do for Austria, he go do for all Europe country. You go look and then see how much those ones they pay with high currency. This one are just only 100 naira. That 200 wey in talk, if we say may we use that 200, they do all this mathematics what they do so. All this money why they tell you so go multiply. That pounds go be 100 and it go be 108,000 a year. Then this for euro it will be 120,000 a year and is not paying tax. For America money, for dollar it will be 130-something-thousand a year, and he say una 200 not be anything. Poor people money. More see that more the reason na the Canada dollar na 91,000. So if you use that 200 when they mock people, it will be almost 200. Canada currency, this 24 million na $91,000. At least make all of us make we say enough is enough now. If they make us they believe, they make us they understand. Say well, how much be 200 naira, 200 naira. Now you want to buy private jet? No, the truth in no great tell in the lie on top of altar. Count how many people there for church. If you just enter church, count how many member come church that very day. Only on Sunday, I know say program where they do. Then count this to 200. Put all of them together. May you see one Sunday whether you will get that money a year. May you see whether you will get that money for 6 months. May you see whether you will get that no I beg now. No they let them they enter our brain. No they let them they commonize things where they very very important. They not the great tell us truth. Now make all of us they hate ourselves. Now make all of us they fight ourselves. Now make us they say how much are they give now? How much are they give now? Like seriously, brother. Like seriously, sister. Since when it started church, Mona see difference is clear now. Mona see the difference. The difference too clear. Now only I carry the grace of 419 with all due respect to all of una. Truth bitter, my brothers. We need to tell ourselves. Truth bitter, my sister. We need to tell ourselves. And I must tell you the truth. What did they make you they go that? What did they make una they run? They go Apostle Johnson Suleman Church because he they do like comedian. Because he they give una better instrument when they dance puts. All of una they dance latest swag for inside church. Now so it dey for una Bible. Now so it dey for our Bible. All of us they fight ourselves. Now make us they say how much are they give now? 100 naira. He pass. So me and you know say he pass. Me and you know say people they put $10. Me and you know say people they put $20. Me and you know say when he too preach, people will just go put $50. Money where they talk say bring as a seed. You know they $5,000, $1,000, $50,000. You know they there. We just they talk about 100 naira, and he still give them this kind big amount. You know they give back to the country. You know they give back to the poor. You know get one company where those poor people where they give them this money they go. You know get one free school where get better teachers where go teach the future leaders of tomorrow. He say one go buy plane. Who want ride the plane? Who want ride the plane? Now the people where they give you to 200 naira now want go enter plane. My brothers and sisters, please let's wake up and stop worshiping human beings. Let's wake up and speak for the future of our children. Let's wake up and stop all these men of God in quotes. Let's stop them because they are stealing by trick. You know get one orphanage where they give back to the poor. You know gets oh blood of Jesus. You know get one good road when you do. You know gets village where give free electricity. He not get anything where Omega Ministry they represent except an individual way know. Individual way buy car for. Who buy car for person, I keep repeating it, you are not a friend. Who buy car for poor person, he just wants make that person not better like him. Because that person, the only thing we go to think of, not to maintain that car, not to buy fuel. Those ones not be help. Give us company. Give boosting small business. boosting small businesses, open orphanage, let people dey work for orphanage. If you open big orphanage, you employ 50,000 Nigerians. You never I no go still tell you thank you with this money wey you dey collect every year. You say you wan employ 1,500. Okay, mo say 50,000. Inside 50,000 Nigerians wey you know say you no get job, wey you know say their politicians don scatter, wey dey give you this money, wey you dey embezzle. So you say you wan employ 1,500 and you expect me to come out and tell you thank you? No. I no fit tell you thank you. If to say you think of how to help small business now, if to say you think of how to boosting economy, he say you want do flights to take boosting economy. Now small business dey boosting economy. Flight no get one economy wey wan boost because Oyakilo may fair try and e no work. Na Panama paper na leak that thing out. Nobody know. So I just hope you understand, my brothers and sisters. I hope you sit down and think about it and just reason this money. Just reason am. For real, my brothers and sisters, your money matter, your 1 cent matter, your 2 cents matter. Because if you gather them together, if you put all of them together, see how much you want give you. You know they pay tax. You dey collect 20 million from Nigeria every year. Now big loss to our treasure. Now big loss to Nigeria economy. Now big loss when you know they pay back tax. When you know they pay back the people. Now big loss. I hope you understand. I hope you see reasons with me. I hope you not take this one personal. I hope you meditate on it and just see from my point of view, so that you can be the change you want. So that you can wake up from this coma where they put you. So that you can stop living in fear. Nothing they happen if you speak truth, because they say the truth now go set you free. The truth will not go make us live in harmony. The truth now go make you face your fear when you start to talk true. I hope you understand. I hope you don't take this video personal. I hope you don't just take it personal. I just look for a way to make you wake up from your sleep. Those people are the Antichrist, because you cannot be collecting from the poor and say you are Jesus-like. No, those people are the Antichrist, but they make you believe say na people where they criticize them, where they call them out, now be Antichrist. No, my brothers and sisters, just do sober reflection. Raising this money by yourself, and it is not given to the poor. You are thinking how much should they pay. So I come your way next time. Love you in the name of love, love you in the name of whatever you believe, with all due respect to everybody. Till the next video, one love.